Buying a home is one of the most significant financial decisions you'll ever make. But did you know that title insurance is essential protection for homebuyers?
When you purchase a property, you receive a legal document called a title. It proves your ownership rights. But what if there were to be hidden issues or defects with that title?
This is where title insurance comes in. It safeguards you from potential legal claims or complications that could arise in the future.
As an example, if a previous owner's long lost relative all of a sudden pops up to claim ownership, or if there are unpaid taxes or liens against the property, title insurance ensures that you won't bear the financial burden or lose your home in situations like that.
With title insurance, you're protected against financial loss due to title defects up to the policy amount, even if a claim is filed years after you purchased your property.
Without title insurance, you may face costly legal battles to defend your ownership. But with title insurance, it kind of gives you peace of mind that you don't have to deal with that kind of stuff.
So when buying a home, it's crucial to discuss title insurance with your real estate agent, or they will help guide you to a reputable title insurance company.
Don't overlook this vital protection on your ownership. It's a small price to pay for security and peace of mind.
Thank you for watching. To stay informed on all things real estate, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We are the McLoughlin and Sommer team, your trusted realtors from Loudoun County. You can find us at McLoughlinandsummer.realtor if you should need to contact us.